Good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Great to see you, Chad. Hey. Hey, Chad. Good afternoon. Good morning. Let's go. How you doing, everyone? How are you today? Morning out there. We are ready. Come on. Let's go. How's it going? How do you feel today? Good morning. Welcome, guys. Good evening. Great to see you. We got promotions, banners updated. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Like the video. I'm about to trade the accounts, the 5 accounts that have. How many points? 6 points. On Ticktick Trader, the accounts that I got 6 points. I am ready to trade them. And then we're going to trade our top 1 futures as well, and nicely advanced today. So this is where we are with the markets. We're touching the weekly VWAP here. And that's where we got stuck earlier, a couple of hours ago. So basically right now we're trading between the 200 EMA, daily VWAP, and a daily opening that is representing us against the weekly VWAP. That's what we're trading right now. Good luck, buddy. Good luck, master trader. Good luck, everyone, in today's trading. There is an uptrending support line here that we should be aware about. And that is connecting with the daily VWAP on 868. So a movement to that level would not indicate any form of bearishness. It also looks like this. I wouldn't be surprised if this trending line is going to be touched. I would certainly not be surprised if that's what's going to happen today. There's trending line right below 880s, around 70s, right even below 70s actually, to be touched. I wasn't convinced about shorting today, but for the moment, with this rejection and very likely breaking below the 200 EMA blue line in the upcoming tens of minutes, you should get there. So I will search to short. 540 for my target. There you go. We're pretty close hitting the target, guys. Stop loss and break even. Let's go. Just a little more needed. Just a little more needed, and we're about to look at that. Look at that, guys. Come on. I'm not planning to exit from here. Come on. Beautiful. Target has been hit. $510. 7 points achieved on our Ticktick Trader, guys. The target has been hit here. That's what I call sniper. That's what I call, guys. There you go. Look at that. We made it. Boom. We made it, gentlemen and ladies. We made it. Look at that. We got into our target. There you go. Performance stats. 5 copy traded accounts. This is where we are. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Congratulations. Applause, gentlemen, applause. We have 7 points and $5,200. So, what does it mean? Well, it means we need 3 more days of $500, which means $1,500 minimum to be made, because $500 is minimum. Even if we have 2 negative days, we're gonna lose $3,000, right? Because it's 1,500, the daily loss limit I have. So even with 3 negative days, sorry, I mean with 3 is not that comfortable, but we can still afford from the balance standpoint 3 negative days. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Just a few seconds ago, we got to our target on the first trade. 7 points achieved on the Ticktick trader, 5 accounts copy traded. So I was saying, make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. I was saying that in this situation, we can also afford to have 3 losing days of daily max loss. And we got cushion for that. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna manually lock myself out of this. I don't need to trade this anymore today, and we're fine for the moment. Let me just find my words. Right, so for the giveaway participation, like and join Discord. I do have a round of 5 accounts. The other round of 5, right? Which are in a tough position. Because there's just $300 left in this account. 300. In the other 5, basically, in the other group. Exactly, Arthur. Correct. Yes, I went over and I asked, and they extended for all the accounts. You can use my code, you will get the discount for all the 10. Yes, you just have to like the video and be here when the live stream, be here on the live stream when the giveaway happens. You have to be here. Welcome, guys. We have extended the discount across unlimited accounts. So 5 accounts, 10 accounts, you can grab them. Ticktick Trader, here's the link. At the biggest discount exists into $245 per account. That's total madness. $245. So I only have $300 here buffer. Nah. Only have $300 here. That's crazy, yeah. Can't save this account, it's just 45 bucks. Cannot save them, but the good part is on the other 5 ones, we are having 7 points and we're about to qualify for a $10,000 payout. as soon as we have 3 more days of $500 each. That's what it's needed. Yeah. No more buffer in this account. They're gone. So we're remaining with 5 on Ticktick Trader, having a very good chance to move on to a nice payout. And very important part is to construct basically the resources for the live account. A very, very important part for that. Moving on to trade on my top 1 futures, Ignite accounts. Testing out for the short here. I think the next 5-minute candlestick is going to give us the red candle. Let's see, guys. $525 for my target. Yeah. That's a good problem to have, needing to lose. It's not difficult to lose. So we have traded our Ticktick Trader quite quickly. We got our point needed. Now it's time for the top 1 futures, and then it's time for the Savius representation too. Thank you guys for joining on the live stream. Appreciate it. Hope you have a lovely day. This is looking like at least retesting the level where my target is located on 75. Certainly not a big deal having another 3 points from here. I'm gonna go break even in case the market wants to reverse. There's no reason that not to have a safe approach through the middle of the trade. Thank you guys for joining, by the way. We're about to hit the target over here as well. We got stopped out. Biggest discount, 245 guys, straight to funded plus with a profit score. It's insane. It is insane, gentlemen. At what prices you can get your Ticktick trader accounts. Even Top 1 Futures is having it discounted right now, 419 bucks. Let's go, gentlemen. Thinking about this point right here. Really thinking about it. Ticktick trader, considering 10 accounts. With Savius you can only have 3. Ticktick trader is the first choice. 10 accounts, no consistency rate. Project X. These are major advantages, guys. And then of course Savius is also an alternative if you want to have something additional. But first you would like to max out with 10 accounts here, Ticktick. And go build your live account there, work for it. It's a real business. Absolutely beautiful, guys. The target has been touched here as well. There you go. Copy trading on 4 accounts. Boom. That's amazing, guys. We got back-to-back good trading. Back-to-back good trading. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Great to see you. Like the video. Get the numbers rolling. Move the price, move the market. Let me trade the other 2. We have 2 more Ignite accounts. I'm shorting here. So that's the thing, basically. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Great to see you. For giveaway, like the video, join our Discord, and you can participate. You have to be here on the live stream. We're going to have some fun. I'm glad we got point number 7 on Ticktick Trader. And we got more than $5,000 balance, so we can eat up 3 daily max losses and still go for the payout. We're in a really favorable position for a $10,000 payout. We have about 70% chance right now hitting that. Market's pretty slow at this level. I'm gonna set my stop loss pretty tight there. Has been touched. Good morning, welcome guys. 2000 target. Depends on which prop firm. Right now we got 5 accounts that are very favorable for the payouts. This one from the top on futures. Morning, morning. Oh, for the Ticktick Trader. Good morning, everyone. Great to see you guys. Yeah, that's my plan with Ignite. I already made $500 on the other 4. On the second group of copy traded, on that 4, I already made 500. I'm just gonna trade from the trenches, right? Look at that. So with this performance, not to be able to go for a payout is ridiculous, guys. Look at that. With this performance, not being able to go for the payout. Like, I need double as much as these to go for the payout because of the equity stability score. You know, equity stability score is difficult. Consistency is a lot easier. And no consistency, which is happening on Ticktick Trader, is even better. Simple and easy cooking channel, $2,000. You have to make points. If you have the straight to funded plus, you have to make points. Right? Just $500 a day, you get 1 point, you're good to go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 good days and 1 loss. And we are day and night away from the payout. Yeah. Day and night away from the payout. Which is why I said for the Ticktick is a lot easier on no consistency. Even with top on futures, instead of going with equity stability score, you better go consistency type of accounts. Yeah, so for the Ticktick Trader, you need 10,000. I have 4,000 already because I had a $10,000 payout. And from that $10,000 payout, 4,000 were allocated for the live wallet. So we already have 4,000 in the live wallet waiting. If we get with this 5 accounts that you're watching right here, this is 5 accounts. if we get with this once, we're gonna have $8,000 in the live wallet, and then just $2,000 more needed to qualify for live. Yeah. Yeah, it's point not reaching the profit target. You gotta get points. And the love of Ticktick Trader is because look at that. No consistency. I can do this kind of things. Look at this. Right, I can do 2,400, 1,500, and then double days of 1,500 there, right there, right? So, because I made much more during those days and I let my winners run, now I can go with the minimum needed, which is 500. And I'm gonna keep with the minimum needed, as long as I have balance. I don't go more than the minimum needed right now. Even if we have 2 daily losses touched, which is 1,500. That's $3,000. You take $3,000 from the current balance, you leave me on 2,200. I can still qualify for the payout nicely. Especially if between my losses I have a winning day of 500 minimum, let's put it that way. Then it's just $1,000 cut out of my account with each loss. And then simply I would actually need another point or so. So this is really comfortable. Really comfortable. Here it's difficult because equity stability score is you know, requiring me on the top 1 futures Ignite accounts is actually requiring me to make around 7,500 with maximum $500 daily. So I'm not really satisfied hearing that. But I'm gonna see, it's an experiment. Like, this is clearly an experiment that I'm going through. And if I can do this, right, we'll see. It's interesting. At the end of the day, it's quite interesting. Let's see, do we break below right now? I'm shorting this, guys. Beautiful. Come on. I just want to see some continuation here in the VWAP 69. Let's go for the 69. That's why I'm exiting on 70s. I want a front run. So that's the deal, guys. If you're going with a top 1 futures accounts, then obviously you would like to see the consistency accounts that are having end of the day drawdown, instant sim funded, 20% consistency, much more comfortable. With Scramble coupon code, you actually have a bigger discount than what they're giving to you here. They're giving you 40. I can give you 45. Right, so I always give 5% more than what does the platform gives you on top 1 futures. That's the way it is. Always 5% more. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. Appreciate it. Savius accounts as well are very cheap. 60% off from the prices listed. This offer is only exclusively for our community. This is not available on the official website. Look at that beautiful rejection. 60% off, so $256 for a Tomcat account, 150k. that gives you 2,700 payout. The payout is 10 times more than what you're paying. Simple and easy cooking. You, if you want to trade the $50,000 account, that you do not need to make 500 bucks. You need to make 250 bucks, right? The 500 bucks only stands for the 100K, but for the 50K, it's half. The trailing drawdown. So the daily drawdown is a hard breach, is not a soft breach. So you should not touch that. It's a hard breach. That's the first thing you need to know. You need to put a stop loss before that value, right? And you're not going to touch it. So you can make your hard breach daily loss into a soft breach by setting a daily... We almost got touched on our target, guys, here, but I'm out. You know, we have covered everything. We have covered the loss here. We actually had a prompt reaction from the 70s. We're back even on the account. And that's good. I'm happy with this trade. We actually touched the support line. We might get a reaction from here. I don't want to risk anything, right? So if you want to transform your daily loss limit from the Savius exclusive offer from the hard breach into a soft breach condition, you need to set a stop loss right before that value, and that's it. Other than that, the maximum drawdown is intraday drawdown, Andy. Intraday is not end of the day. Is intraday drawdown. You're able to get free add-ons right now with a coupon code Scrambo on Ticktick Trader, yes. Contract size for Savius. Very high. Let me share with you. It's listed here. It's very, very high. Let me share with you. Table and commission. Look at that. I mean, that's just very high. For 150K, 30 minis or 300 micros. 30 minis. Like, what do you do with 30 minis on 150K? Like, what's that? When you have a hard breach of 2,000, which is trailing. It's trailing. You need to deal with that carefully, guys. Hey, Sebastian. Yeah, everything's fine. Thank you. Hope you have a beautiful time as well. No. When it says 5 minutes or 5 micros, that means that is the maximum you can trade. You can trade in increments of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, it doesn't matter, but that is the total amount you can have actively. Oh. Yeah. No, you have to set a stop loss way before the daily hard breach on Savius. So if it's 2,000 as you see it here, and by the way, this 150K account are $256. $256 because all the prices are 60% off. 60% off. The link is here, guys, for those of you to see this accounts. Let me share with you. Right? If you don't want to touch that 2,000, you just set your stop loss at 1,700. 1,700. Meanwhile, here, for example, on the Ticktick Trader Straight to Funded Plus, you have no daily loss right now. The add-on with a coupon code Scrambo comes for free. An add-on which is 149 bucks. So, no daily loss. Goodbye. Drawdown, end of the day. So when you drawdown is coming to 100 grand, it stops there. Like it has stopped here for us, right? The drawdown has stopped on the original balance, and now we do whatever we want. If tomorrow we make 5,000, Then I have 110, and I have so much cushion basically. That is just wild. So I don't care consistency because there is no consistency, and I can nicely trade like that. 10 points for the first payout, 7 points for the second payout, which means 1 point is achieved by making 0.5% of the account size. Like $500 for the 100k, $250 for the 50k. That's how you achieve the 1 point. And you just gotta collect the points. Hello guys, good morning, thank you for joining. Make sure to like the video and we keep in touch strongly. Like the video, be subscribed, join my Discord. Let me just set up the... You know, I just wrote it on the screen, all the prices with the best prices existent. You have them on the screen. So Ticktick Trader $100,000 straight to funded plus 256. Actually even less than 256, 45. And you can have 10 accounts, right? That's pretty big deal, guys. There's not many prop firms where you can have 10 active accounts. Yeah, it's 2,000, correct. If you're making $2,000, buddy, in your first day, your drawdown is gonna lock in. And you can make your $2,000 in your first day. You have 5 minis. Yeah, you need 2,000 to lock in your drawdown, and it stops there, it's not following you anymore. How to enter the giveaway. Like the video, join my Discord, and be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, with trading daily, giveaways daily, and helpful educational materials. So the giveaway is going to happen on the live stream at the New York opening, and you have to be here to guess the number and play some games. With Ticktick, could you get your points but not have enough for a payout if you have been up and down, right? Yes, you can do that. You know, it could happen. You just have to have your $2,000. You just have to have the money you want to cash out. That's it, right? You can go up and down as many times as you want, but at the time you request the payout, you just want to have that 2,000 and the points. And because of you have no consistency, you can nicely let your winners run. That's the best deal. Look at that. I've let my winners run here on these days. And I made cushion with that. And with that cushion, you can afford having some losses that are sometimes inevitable. Because this is something that I consider really beneficial when a prop firm is giving you room for losses. So this program, where you can let your winners run, make more money than comparing to a consistency situation which is locking you to a limited amount, otherwise your 20% consistencies will never play out, or will certainly require you to have such standard of trading throughout your entire path that is unlikely, right? Then this kind of model is giving freedom, and is really enjoyable. We're on the daily VWAP here, trying to find around it. We don't have any red folder news. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Thank you guys for joining, for watching. Appreciate it. So Ticktick, Tap on Futures, and Savius. These are the ones that we're trading. What's the cost for the 50k? With a scramble coupon code is really cheap, is 157 bucks. 157 bucks. That's crazy. Never stops. On Savius, your daily loss limit, daily drawdown, never stops. Never. Only the maximum loss stops at the original balance, but the daily never stops. Gold having a good time around 800s. You know, there's not much going on in the markets. RTI, Russell 2000s, that is the one I care about for the altcoins, is trying to follow through. What a spread here. I haven't requested a payout from Savius. I haven't got to the payout from Savius, but there's people that already got there from our community, and they posted in our channel. They got paid. We got people posting in our community. Jay Smith, so the 149 50k on Ticktick Trader is the straight to funded plus. I'm out of this trade. What's happening, guys? We made some money. 283, but there's something going on. Maybe Trump is speaking again. Well, you don't need first essentially to lock in your drawdown. I mean, your points are going to be added even during the time you're working for the drawdown, right? You just have to do 250 bucks minimum for 10 days and you get a payout. Yeah. What's happening here, guys, with the price section? Who's speaking again? I haven't got to the payout on Savius, but we have community members that posted in our Discord. They got paid from Savius quite quickly in a few hours. Right, so Savius is having no problems in paying. It's a company that's been online for more than 10 years. Blessings, good morning everyone. I'm not having a predetermined target right now, I'm just microscoping. Exactly, straight to funded plus. Is he putting out things in truth as well? Yeah. He's posting probably things. Yeah, nice little money here. Markets are shaking, right, as usually. But we got 283, that's fine here with the Ignite. Thank you guys, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. I'm shorting a little bit. I'm not using the N short form of volume weighted average price. Yes, they pay, of course. Of course they pay. No problems at all with the payouts. I wouldn't suggest you anything, guys, that is anything near to any issues correlated with finance, right? So we have a strong level of due diligence when it comes down to the finances of any company we are speaking about. And as much as we can, of course, we don't have an ultimate level of knowledge because we don't have access to the bank accounts and to the statements. And on top of that, we don't have access to the desire of people behind it. You know, any company at some point could say, well, from tomorrow, we no longer want to function. You know, any company, because the CEO could decide that. Obviously makes no sense, but that is a risk right there existing every single time, which we all cannot eliminate. You know, as we see, it's not really happening. But, you know, I'm just telling you that it's possible with any company. It doesn't matter its name. We have seen, if you have been around in the crypto space, you have seen what happened with the FTX exchange in the crypto space. I'm out of this straight. I don't know what's happening. This could actually break out to the top, so I accepted a loss. FTX had issues correlated with billions and billions of dollars. So we only trade whatever we afford risking on the trading table. Looks like markets turn around. Something happened and the markets have turned around. Thank you, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. 30 minutes to go, and we got the US opening. Looking into the 15-minute candlestick, we have a good reaction from the trend. Really good reaction. And the whole thing is still respected here, so I wouldn't blame right now the selling pressure. Although I'd like to see quickly as possible the Russell 2000s back above 2,500s. I like to see this one. This is going to turn on the crypto space altcoins movement to the upside. That's going to be quite healthy for my big bags. Haven't checked what's happening on the FedWatch tool. Didn't check since yesterday. Let me see if there is anything special out there. What's the percentage we are in charge? Are we running above 80%? We're actually running on 94% rate cut possibility, guys, for the 29th of October. There you go. Clearly, the monetary policy shifted, and now they care about the weak labor. Instead of putting action and putting pressure or paying attention to the inflation, they prefer looking at this thing right now. So it's time, basically, to have some rate cuts back to back from what we're seeing. Back to back possibilities for that. Dovish instance from Powell. Back to back rate cuts. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Like the video, be subscribed. We got 7 points for our Ticktick trader performance here. That's absolutely lovely. I'm trying to discover right now the 150k on Savius is $256, buddy. Mateo. With a scramble code, it's 60% off, and the offers you see on my page right here are only visible if you sign up from the link. Right, so inside your dashboard, that's the place you can see this accounts. This is not officially available. It's not officially available to all the customers. Yeah, straight to funded. Yeah. Straight to funded 250k. Exactly, this one, Tomcat, 150k. This one, Mateo. And you have a payout of 2,700. So you paid 256 and you have a payout of 2,700. More than 10 times. Good job, buddy. Congratulations for your Ticktick Trader payouts. We got a golden pocket around 940s. We could actually push into that today. 940s. It's not bad. Yes, you can have 10 Ticktick Trader accounts, which is a big advantage. Tell simultaneously you can do copy trading nicely on Project X. I mean, that's a good business. Good morning, welcome guys. Happy to see you on board. Send it back into the 70s. Let's see if we can get a total drop. Come on. I'm going break even. It has been touched. You know, this is going to be a good level for me to test out along. If it holds, it's going to be worth it. Let's see. We got you right there. 4 points needed and we get to our target nicely. We're having a break-even position here. Come on. 2 points. What's up, buddy? Pretty good. Pretty good. 7 points achieved on Ticktick Trader, so we're having a great time. $5,000 buffer. 7 points. 4 accounts copy traded on Tap on Futures. Got to their target. This Ignite 500. I'm looking getting to the target of this 2 copy traded here that we are trading right now. Just need a little more. Come on. Oh my god. This is so bad, I'm telling you. I'm fully out. 291 profit from the loss we were. I'm just waiting to reorganize. Yeah, 1 tick away. We got 300 locked in. 2 more needed, but wish we would have actually finished and started trading my Savius. Are these wicks fake? I think so. I'm going for the long, guys. I think those wicks are fake. Come on. Don't you dare to reverse once again. And we got to the target finally. We got to the target finally. So we traded all the 6 ignites to the $500 target. Boom. Beautiful. I'm gonna lock myself out from here, and we are gonna go and trade with Quantower with a Savius. Come on. Enough is enough, right? Enough is the target. Thank you, guys. This is the Ignite on the Tap on Futures. You will always see basically from the logo we have here on the top left side. Right, that's the logo of the Top 1 Futures. You can also see it here on the bottom side, on the lower banner. You see it; it's the same logo. And then the Ticktick Trader is here, guys. This is what we traded today. 5 accounts on the Ticktick Trader. See, the logo is different. It's just like in the header at the top. That's how you know on which project X I am. I'm being very aggressive on one account on Savius right now. Let's go. Very aggressive. On this account right now, I'm being very aggressive. I haven't got to the payout. But others got to the payout, guys, on Savius. Tap on futures is not a point program. It is a classic percentage on the payout, right? You have to achieve a certain percentage where you have a payout target. Short to 860s. I'm risking a lot, guys. I have 18 minis on this position. 18 minis. Look at that. Come on. I'm stop loss break even. I'm break even right now. Come on, one more point. One more point. 2 ticks. My exit is on 78. Look at that. And we touched the target. Our daily PNL 1,515. You see it on the right side on the screen. 1,515. There you go, guys. We touched the target, so we gotta push the celebration time. Let's go. It is very addicting, guys, the point program. Oh, let me just take out that limit order. Look at that. Boom. Let me take that limit order out. We got 1,515. Thank you, guys. Like the video. Come on. Thank you for joining. Switching over to the next one. That was an 18 minis long. I still believe for the upside. I got into 5 minis here. I've doubled up. We're sitting on 10 minis right now. Yeah. I've added one more bundle of 5, so we're sitting on 15 minis right now. Now I'm being very aggressive with this. Very aggressive. I'm seeking a continuation after the red candle we had and the previous green one that was strong. I'm seeking a continuation in this above. Let's see. Once we get into 82, we're playing break even. We just need 3 points, 4 points from here. Very aggressive on this one. 15 minis long. Gotta set my stop loss as well. Hmm. $15 minis. Huge risk. Bring it up into 82, guys. Give me 82 and I go break even. So then my target is around 83.75. Added 3 more contracts. Nah. We should have moved. I don't like this sitting around here. I don't know. Welcome, guys. Hello. I don't know about Ticktick Discord applications. No idea. Should be pretty quick in terms of support, right? This is the way I've been trading, not with 15 minis or stuff like that, but usually I'm trading between 5 and 10 minis. Now this is an exaggeration here that I'm doing. We got today all the accounts in profit to the target, right? So I'm pushing very aggressively right now. I'm basically running an experiment, which we might get stopped out here. We're 1 point away, and we're gonna get stopped out. No, we haven't been. We got lucky on that. Look at that. But we got stopped out here. So we got a daily loss. This is not a hard breach, it's a daily stop loss. Oops, I still have a limit order that I have to eliminate. I'm believing a long, guys, so I'm gonna long it. I'm jumping in 2 minutes long right now. We're slowly going to accumulate on that. Let's go, guys. 7 minutes and the market opens. Pretty exciting. So one hitting the target and one hitting the stop loss for the Savius. Double up. Added more to this. Expecting another green candle. Let's see if I get it. We're sitting on 20 minis. 20. Huge risks. Expecting another green candle here. Up to the 80s. 80.5, that's my target. 3 points from here. I put a stop loss. Right as soon as the markets went 2 points, I put a stop loss on break even, and that has been touched. The stop loss has been touched, guys. I just put a break even earlier, and we have been flipped out. Look at that. We have $75 profit because our break even stop loss has been touched as soon as I put it. Like 1 second away. That's crazy, right? No sense. 1 second away. And this would have not touched my target. I'm waiting right now. This would have touched my target. I think this is going up, guys. We're having 10 minis right now. Let me share with you the chart here. We're actually stuck in a ridiculous position. Look at that, guys. We're getting punished by the 200 EMA, 5 minute. That line is keeping us underwater. And then at the same time, we receive support from the daily VWAP and from the support trending line we have there. So we're actually squeezed between these 2 points. We added more. We're sitting on 16 minis right now. I'm risking a lot once again. No. Where are you going? It could. But it looks like before it pushes up. Oh, look at that, guys. We got so lucky with that. Let me tell you, that was a single tick away. A single tick away from the stop loss. One tick from the stop loss. Come on, bring it back up. And the target has been hit. Beautiful, guys. There you go. Daily net P&L 1,571. Congratulations. Congratulations. Make sure to like the video. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed, join my Discord. Get the numbers rolling. Fireworks bust. Boom. Absolutely beautiful. So out of 3 accounts on Savius, 2 got to the target, 1 to the daily stop loss that I set. I'm happy for that. I told you, I see the markets going up. I got the markets going up. Market makers enjoy watching the live stream and delivering, right? Do you guys feel the same thing? That the only job of a market makers is to watch the live stream and then deliver. Yeah, we got lucky with a 1 tick, but let me tell you, today we have 2 situations when we were 2 ticks away or 1 point away from hitting the take profit, and then the markets went to my break even. It happened today, right? So sometimes the market makers do give you that 1 tick that they're watching you on the live stream, but sometimes they're taking it away from you. Yeah. Correct. Exactly, Dennis. You got, we had I'm not sure if you are that one or something else, someone else, but I saw it in my community. Someone got paid in about a couple of hours. Oh, we had the opening. Where's the bell? There you had the opening bell. I hope you guys heard it. Up we go. But do not underestimate the power of the volatility. That's going to be kicked in here. If we look into the 15 minute, we might see this one dropping into the daily opening. Do not underestimate that. We're going to do the giveaway soon. Yeah, but I'm not doing futures more on crypto. I'm only doing spot. Yeah. I've been stressed by crypto futures markets so much that right now having 15 minis is not generating any emotional reaction. So yeah. That's the reality. I've been trained by the crypto futures markets. Come on, Russells. Russell 2000s. DXI. Look at that. Non-stop pumping. US dollar. But I care about the Russell 2000s. This is what's gonna give us 200%. Beautiful, guys. So we are preparing. Wow. Market's getting hungry. Going for the daily opening. These are the 3 things you gotta do to participate in the giveaway. Like the video, be subscribed, join my Discord. We're getting ready for it, guys. We are getting ready for it. We are getting ready, guys, for the giveaway. Everyone, make sure to hit the like button, be subscribed, join Discord. Right? So for the company of you gotta wait, you gotta wait, you gotta wait. Do not guess yet anything. Wait, 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 wait. Let's go, start. Let me know your numbers. Come on. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. You can start. No more guesses. Stop right there. That's it, guys. No more guesses. You want to stop right there. That's it, gentlemen. That's it for today's giveaway. We only have one giveaway today. The $50,000 Ticktick Trader Straight to Funded Plus. Let's shuffle it a couple of times and one more time. Here we go. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. Thank you so much for joining. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, trading and running giveaways. What is it going to be out there? We got that red number 5. What do you think about that red number 5? Nah. Did we stop there? And there you go. We have actually stopped on the number 5. So red number 5 for the winners. We got the number 5. Congratulations. This is usually an enjoyed number. Let's find it out on the dock race. Let's just find it out on the dock race. How many names do we have? Let's just find it out for the dock race. How many names do we have? 20 winners. Wow. Only 20 winners for the number 5. That's crazy, guys. You have a 5% chance, and you're going to compete for 2 minutes at this time. Because we only do one giveaway today. You guys are going to compete for 2 minutes. And we're going to do this way. I'm going to jump around. Great job, guys. Thank you. Let's see. Let's see what you can do, guys. 2 minutes. Only 20 guys out there. That is just, you know, mind-blowing. Number 5 should have been 40, 45, 50. 40, 45, 50. Come on, Jamal. Lamro, is it your day? Let's find it out. I have the pedal under the desk, so if I push the pedal, your dock is gonna move. Depends how you behave. Depends how you behave, Lamro. Trader Pereira, you've been winning quite a few times already. I saw your name multiple times. Let's go. Keep pushing. There you go, Wafa. You got the big boy running with a number 9. Less than a minute to go. If you're getting married, then you are the one that are needing to share 10 accounts for our giveaways. Will not cost you much, $2,500. So from the gifts you have after the wedding, you can nicely share 10 accounts with our community. Give something back to the community. 8 seconds. Someone is going to speed up right now. We got a dictionary right there. What is it? Niche dictionary. Oh, there you go. Jamal was very, very close on to winning. Look at that, guys. Niche dictionary. We got you on the winners list. Wow. $50,000 straight to Funded Plus. Oh my god. For the Ticktick Trader winner, you got to reach out to me on Discord. But this is quite interesting that we had... Let's do analysis, guys, like we do on the charts. We had so many ducks and the gap is so small here. Look at that, right? The gap is so small here between the winner and the second ranked. But at the same time, so many ducks coming quite quickly afterwards. Look at that. We had to do the post-analysis, post-duck race analysis and see how we can make this one better. How we can execute it better, right? Look at that. Your duck has been eliminated for bad behaving, Lamro. Yeah, virtual assistant video, we're gonna do that. Bad behavior is gonna sink your duck. And that's where we are, guys. Once again, thank you so much for joining. Have a lovely day. Peace. Careful with risk management. It's the most important thing into making money for the long term. It's not just about making money today if you give it back tomorrow. Looking forward to it. Our next live stream is going to be tomorrow. Any questions, any stuff on Discord. I'm going to post a video today on my channel. Everyone, make sure you go out there to the video I will post and like the video, comment, let me know what you think. We're going to have a $500,000 giveaway. I'm going to post about it. $500,000 giveaway. I'm going to post about it. So make sure to watch that one too. Thank you guys once again for watching. Have a lovely day.